Okay people, welcome. Let's take a look at the DJI Flips options. Now this is the rocket.
My coffee was cold and my jacket was torn.
And the circle and the Dronie. And later in the video you'll see the follow me. Now people asked me how fast I could go. I went up to 35 kilometers an hour and it could still keep up with me. You see, when it takes a corner at one bit, it loses me a wee bit, but it catches me up again. So I don't know if I would trust it flying through trees or anything like that, but on an open bit of ground like this, it works fine. Let me know what you think in the comments. Stay safe and enjoy.
But the road loves me and I love it too. I met a bloke named Buster on an African.
This is the actual follow me. I was doing about 35 kilometers an hour. You'll see just at this bit here when it's flying against the wind, it starts to lose me a wee bit and then it catches up again.
Arguing whether that sheep was a sheep.
You see it catching up and then falling back a wee bit again. But I quite like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I did two circles just to see if it would keep coming. It misses the lantern, the light, street lights and the trees here, and it catches me up on the corner. So I quite like it. Let me know what you think. Stay safe, enjoy, like, subscribe and post a comment.
Now if you see me cruising by looking confident, well that's a lie. I'm just here for views and snacks and pretending I've read all the maintenance facts, because I'm riding two wheels with absolutely no clue. But life tastes sweeter when the wind blows through. From Wales to Arlen, the Highlands too. The bike keeps rolling and somehow so do I do. Oh, two wheels, no clue. But the world looks better from this point of view.